कृष्ण विष्णुतले श्रीमती भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पश्चात् वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So we are discussing about Vaishishta Ashtakam. I think we read today fourth Vaishishta. Characteristics, glorification of spiritual master. So fourth Vaishishta Ashtaka written by Srila Prabhupada. The appearance day of his spiritual master, Om Vishnupad Paramahamsa Paripradaya Acharya Shri Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. Am I right? Today is fourth?
Yes, Maharaj.
সবাই এসব নহে প্রভু প্রচারে রীতি এসব করেছে গুরু গোসাইয়ের জাতি এসব নহে প্রভু প্রচারের রীতি এসব all this what are the all this previous ashtakam like in the name of business increasing the disciple or nirjan bhajan all this these are not the preaching. But who has established that? No, it is not established by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his associates. These are the teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Ishab nahe Prabhur Prachariti. Prabhur Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's techniques, riti. These are not the teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preaching. Who has established? Guru Gosai Jati. Jati Gosai, this type of Upasampradaya, unscrupulous people in the name of Vaishnavas, those are deviated from the path of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they have established it. কিন্তু চেয়ে দেখো কি বা দুর্দশা হয়েছে বিষয়া হইয়া সবে প্রচার সেরেছে just see what has happened কিন্তু চেয়ে দেখো just see কি বা দুর্দশা হয়েছে what is precarious condition has come বিষয় হইয়া সবে প্রচার সেরেছে all these so-called people in the name of Vaishnavas they become materialistic and has given up preaching বিষয় হইয়া in the name of Vaishnavas they're collecting disciples increasing name fame adoration and that is their calculation of Vaishnava preaching. But they have given us actually their real preaching. And due to that reason, what has happened? Nobody is coming to the temple because their real goal was not that actual preaching to make everybody Krishna conscious. That is why nobody is coming to the temple. Mandireo talabandho hoyeche arambho bhagavad prachar karo na karo bilam. And mandireo talabandho hoyeche arambho. Talabandho hoyeche arambho. Mandir has closed. Why mandir has closed? Because nobody is coming. And nobody is coming. Pujari also not getting any interest to go to the temple. So mandireo talabandho hoyeche arambho. Even temple has closed. If you don't preach, people will not come. We have seen, why so many people are coming in ISKCON temple? So much opulent in this. No. That is not the actual. People are going out for preaching. Why Mayapur? Thousands of people, lakhs of people are coming. Because there are 10 Sankirtan buses. They are preaching 10 Sankirtan, each bus 9 to 10 devotees. Whole year they distributing. There's so many nowadays Bhakti Vriksha, so many preaching. They are preaching outside. That is why people are coming. It is not that a Mayapur very big building, Western devotees, so much opulence, that is people come. No. They are preaching outside. That is why people are coming. In the temple also preaching. And they are going also outside also. In our Ujjain temple, we are seeing devotees are preaching outside. Sankirtan bus is going, youth preachers, Namata devotees are going outside. And that is the people are going. If we don't preach, then people will not come. Then temple will close. Mandirio talaband hoyecha. Bhagavad prachar karo na karo bilamb. That is why we should preach Srimad Bhagavatam. Na karo bilamb. Don't wait. To whom Srila Prabhupada saying? His god brothers. So please, we have seen, yes, after Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, there are so many Gauriya Maths. Thousands of Gauriya Maths actually. They are not ordinary devotee. They are establishing temple, studying what is called individual mott. But the spirit of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur to preach Krishna consciousness throughout the world with combined force, that spirit has lost. That was the lamentation of Srila Prabhupada. The vision Bhakti Vinod Thakur has established, the Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur wanted that we should preach Krishna consciousness systematically through an organization. That mission has lost. So we should prove this, requesting everybody emphatically. Start again. মেদিনীর মধ্যে আছে একটি মেদিনী কিংবা শব্দ যায় তবে অসমভেদিনী মেদিনীর মধ্যে আছে একটি মেদিনী কিংবা শব্দ যায় তবে অসমভেদিনী So we are Medini means world, Prithvi. So we should preach in such a way that our preaching should go beyond the covering of this universe. Kimba Shabda Jayata Vashamaved. I heard from one class from Janivashpur. He told that they wrote in front of Mayapur, that is therefore it's called Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. One day, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati is walking on the street at night. And he stopped and he was looking at the moon. He said, yes, there is also urgency in preaching in moon planet also. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati understood there is necessity for preaching in the moon planet also. So here Bhakti Siddhanta is thinking how to preach in moon planet. মেদিনীর মধ্যে আছে একটি মেদিনী কিংবা শব্দ যায় অসমভেদিনী মোল্লা দৌড় তাই মসজিদ পর্যন্ত এসব প্রচার কার্য আজই করন মোল্লার দৌড় তাই মসজিদ পর্যন্ত মোল্লা runs so much when there is time of namaz. They run so much. Oh, he's running so much. It's good he's running because time is over. They're so punctual. They want to do that recitation in proper time. They're so punctual. It's a good sign. He's running so fast. But how far he'll go? He'll go up to the mosque. He cannot be beyond that. It's a proverb like, though he is running faster, the analogy, though he is running faster, he can go maximum up to that mosque. That means Prabhupada is saying the preachers looks a so powerful preacher, but they have some limitation. Mullah Daun Masjid Pajanta, this Baghdad is this phrase is meaning that externally looks he is doing so much. Actually, there is result is not so much. That is why that type of preaching, Esha Prachar Karya Aji Karan. Please stop all this type of preaching. These are actually useless preaching. What is the result? Externally say, oh, so much preaching, but actually no, nothing. Asamudra Medini par Brahmanda Vedini Shakale Milia Karo Prachar Bahini. আসমুদ্রে মেদিনীবর ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভেদ সকলে মিলিয়া করো প্রচার বাহিনী সকলে মিলিয়া করো প্রচার বাহিনী means team. Make a team, preaching team. প্রচার বাহিনী means preaching team. সকলে মিলিয়া করো, everybody combinedly sit together and discuss and make a team. It's so effective. Like yesterday, we are discussing with our new devotees and students, discussing about how to for brainstorming session, how to start again our sweet shop. What is your opinion? So nice thing came. Then I was discussing with Chittar Krishna. What is your opinion? He said, Maharaj, these boys, they are working outside and they are getting lakhs of salaries. And from their brainstorming, there is lakhs rupees. They are only the research and development department. For getting this type of information, you have to give lakhs of rupees. But we are so foolish, we are not using their intelligence. I am here, oh, Bhakti Maharaj Sannyasi, whatever it's up, everybody will sit down and stand and sit down. He will give this instruction. But we are not taking their inputs. And as their juniors, out of humility, Vaishnava offense, they are not sharing their inputs. They know better than us. But out of Vaishnava etiquette, we are not. They are not saying. And we are also out of pride. Oh, I am a sannyasi, I am senior, I know better than them. We are not asking them. So who is losing? The whole world is losing actually. They are bereft of their inputs. So Prabhupada is saying, Shakale Miliya Karo Prachara Bahini. Sit down, discuss together. And so many nice things will come. And whatever team will make, like now, Asamudra Medini bar Brahmanda Vedini. We should make a team, Asamudra Medini, starting from Asamudra Brahmanda Vedini. Starting from here, they'll preach here, and Brahmanda Vedini. That team will go beyond the boundary of this universe. At least we cannot imagine how will that. But at least through online preaching, we can see. This time through preaching, by sitting in Ujjain, we are preaching in London, America, everywhere. Through online. So yes, it is not impossible actually. If we can make that type of team, that will go beyond this universe. তবে সে প্রভুর পূজা হবে পরিপাটি, আজই প্রতিজ্ঞা করো ছাড়ো কুটিনাটি। তবেই সে প্রভুর পূজা হবে পরিপাটি। Paripati means, here also this picture nobody knew, na? Here is also Guru Maharaj picture. Yes, Sridhar Swami Maharaj, Tamal Krishna Goswami Maharaj, Giriraj Maharaj, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. তবেই সে প্রভুর পূজা হবে পরিপাটি। We are worshiping a spiritual master, but what is Worship of spiritual master? Worship actually, worshiping is instruction. He wanted to preach. That is why we should preach and make a team that will cross beyond the limit of this universe. Then Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati will be. Tabei Prabhur Puja Habe Paripati. Paripati means perfect. Only then worship of spiritual master, Guru Puja of my spiritual master will be perfect. Now how to do now? Start now. आज ही प्रतिज्ञा करो. Take a vow. आज ही प्रतिज्ञा करो. Don't wait. Saro Kutinati. Kutinati means duplicity. Stop. All this duplicity. Free from your duplicitous behavior. Oh, why Kutinati? Why duplicity? Because why you use the duplicity? Who can say? Because we want duplicity because for our name, fame, adoration. If we combinedly do, other people will get credit. What I will get? If you combinedly do, other will get credit. So what I am getting? So better not. I'll give my plan. My way is high. All credit I will get. So no. Keep up all this type of nonsense. Name, fame, adoration. आज ही एकत्र करो मंतव्य पाछे मिली विचार हो की करा कर्तव्य. आज ही पाछे मिली means what is पाछे मिली? पाछे मिली means
सभी लोग के 5 लोग.
हाँ 5 लोग means normal means 5 लोग means everybody.
but say 5 लाख भूत भागे. एक बार Prabhupada quoted somewhere 5 लाख भूत भागे. 4 or 5 people means majority of the people, Maharaj. Like
yeah, everybody. पाछे मिली विचार हो की करा मंतव्य की करा कर्तव्य. What is necessary? Take decision commonly together. पाछे मिली विचार हो की करा कर्तव्य. What we should do? Take that decision combinedly. आज ही एकत्र हुए. आज not tomorrow, today. आज ही एकत्र करो मंतव्य. मंतव्य means
discussion,
meditation,
मंतव्य
मन का विचार,
opinion,
मंतव्य means
resolution,
conclusion. You can say conclusion. Coming one conclusion. Or actually मंतव्य. तब्य means to do that. गंतव्य जहाँ गमन करना चाहिए. मंतव्य, गंतव्य, अनुष्ठितव्य. What should be done? मंतव्य come into that context. Everybody should do that. मेरा मंतव्य है. This is my conclusion. आज ही एकत्र है करो मंतव्य. Sit together and take decision, come to conclusion with everybody. पाछे मिली विचार की करा कर्तव्य. त्यागी হয়েছে ভাই করো সব ত্যাগ. বাণী ত্যাগ করো যদি কিসের বৈরাগ. Oh brother, you are বৈরাগী. You are renunciate. That's good. But if you renunciate the instruction of the spiritual master, that is not actually renunciation. Prabhupada actually is not joking. It's frustrated. It is not joking. Jokingly saying. Prabhupada is out of frustration. You are here Tegi. You have given up everything that is a come over here. But if you Bani Tyak Karo, if you give up the instruction of the spiritual master, that is not actually Bhairag. Guru Bhagi, Guru Tegi, Duit Asha, Guru Shebi Hole Por, Bujibe Vichar. There are 3 types of people, Guru Bhogi, Guru Tegi, and Guru Shevi. So Guru Bhogi and Guru Tegi Dui Asha, both are useless. Asha. Asha means useless. Guru Shevi hole pare bujibe vichar. If we bujibe vichar means, what is bujibe vichar? Bujibe vichar means you will understand the conclusion. What is the instruction of the spiritual master? What is the essence of scripture? Then you will understand. How? Guru Shevi hole pare. If we serve spiritual master, only then we will understand the mood of a spiritual master. In the same way, if we read scripture with service attitude, I want to establish this instruction of the scripture, then the scripture will give you intelligence, proper intelligence to understand that. Oh, why it is written like this? If you read in such a way, nothing will enter. If you're proud, scripture will cheat you. Okay, yeah, you are right. I am wrong, you are right. If you're humble, only then humble state of mind will understand. The same thing applicable everywhere. If you humbly serve spiritual master, only then you will understand spiritual master desire. In that connection, there is a nice discussion between Gopinath Acharya and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was accepting Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Lord. Then Gopinath Acharya, if you want to understand that part nicely, read that section. Chaitanya was first meeting with Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. He was accepting him as Lord. But Gopinath Acharya said, when you will get the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, only then you will understand Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the Supreme Personality. So here, Srila Prabhupada is requesting, serve the instruction of the spiritual master. The spiritual master told us, combinedly take decision for preaching. Follow the instruction, he will give intelligence. He will guide you. So, we have already wasted so much time. Don't waste any time. Please follow the instruction. Hare Srila Prabhupada. So nice, huh? Prabhupada. And Prabhupada told all these things 6 years before establishing ISKCON. Though he was asking everybody, nobody came forward. Then Prabhupada started. He tried his best whole life to unite everybody because he is a spiritual master. Unfortunately, no one came forward.